Hey there, have you ever found yourself wondering what it truly takes to become a millionaire in today's fast-paced world? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to dive deep into the secrets of financial success. Welcome to the Millionaire Test, a tool designed to help you evaluate your financial goals and set you on the path to wealth. If you've ever dreamt of joining the Millionaire Club, this test is your first step towards making that dream a reality. Let's talk about the common misconceptions surrounding wealth and the challenges that come with trying to amass a substantial fortune. From the belief that you need a high income to the myth that luck plays a huge role, we'll debunk these myths and get to the core of what it really takes to build wealth. Now let's delve into the key principles of the Millionaire Test. It's all about mastering the art of saving, smart investing, and effectively managing your expenses. By following these principles, you can pave the way towards financial freedom and abundance. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the surprising results of the Millionaire Test. Get ready to uncover what these results mean for your financial future and how you can make strategic decisions to propel yourself closer to millionaire status. In conclusion, taking control of your finances is the ultimate key to unlocking the doors to wealth. Remember, it's never too late to start. So, seize the opportunity to kickstart your journey towards becoming a millionaire by implementing the steps we've discussed today. I challenge you to take the Millionaire Test yourself and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips, challenges, and exclusive content. Your journey to millionaire status starts now. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's do this together!